Ever seen giants in action? Danger looms, suspense builds, this video captures it all. Fasten your seatbelts. An unforgettable, adrenaline-pumping ride into the jaw-dropping, raw power of automatic firewood processors awaits. Let's roll. Ever wondered how to turn back breaking wood splitting into a breeze? Meet the amazing homemade log splitters, ingenious machines built by creative minds to tackle firewood like a pro. From hydraulic-powered beasts to clever lever systems, these DIY wonders are crafted from everyday materials, but deliver industrial-level performance. Watch as they slice through logs like butter, saving time, effort, and sweat. Whether you're a firewood enthusiast or a DIY fanatic, these homemade log splitters will blow your mind. Ready to see how they work? Let's dive into the world of wood processing brilliance. Hit play, and let's get inspired. "7,000 feet up in the Sierra National Forest, just south of Yosemite Wilderness. These guys are the real deal, living completely off the grid in tent camps for months at a time, totally detached from, well, literally anything. This particular crew only travels home once every few weekends during the cutting season. The rest of the time, it's just them, the wilderness, and the immense challenge of harvesting timber in one of the most rugged landscapes on Earth. Nothing but big steep grades, massive granite monoliths, and endless forest up there. And when these giants fall, it's something you'll never forget. Imagine watching 200-foot trees hit the ground. Draw power, precision, and a whole lot of courage. This is life at the edge of civilization, where every day is a battle against nature itself. Ready to see how they do it? Let's go deep into the heart of the Sierra National Forest. Meet the pinnacle HWI Raptor 800, the ultimate self-propelled mulcher on a track chassis, designed to dominate the toughest terrain on the planet. From clearing land for oil and gas pipelines to creating fire breaks and reclaiming agricultural land, this beast does it all. Built in Germany and tested in the harsh Siberian taiga, it's powered by a fuel-efficient Caterpillar engine, equipped with the innovative HDDL torque system, and features a 900mm mulching rotor that chews through material up to 800mm thick. With its Delta track system, it conquers 45-degree slopes effortlessly, while its state-of-the-art cab and advanced safety features ensure maximum efficiency and operator comfort. Ready to see this monster in action? Let's go! Meet the Schichtholzspalter, the ultimate layer wood splitter that's revolutionizing firewood processing. This German-engineered powerhouse uses innovative layered splitting technology to handle even the toughest logs with precision and speed. Whether you're a professional or a firewood enthusiast, it's designed to save you time and effort. Built for durability and performance, this machine is a game-changer for anyone dealing with large volumes of firewood. It's efficient, reliable, and downright impressive to watch in action. Ready to see this German engineering marvel at work? Let's dive in. Get ready for some serious firewood processing action. Here, we've got the powerful Dalen 2050 for firewood processor paired with the rugged Massey Ferguson 5711M tractor, a match made in firewood heaven. Watch as this dynamic duo turns raw logs into perfectly sized firewood in no time. The Dalen 2054's precision splitting and the Massey Ferguson's reliable power make this combo unstoppable for tackling big wood piles. Whether you're stocking up for winter or running a firewood business, this setup is all about efficiency, power, and getting the job done right. It's firewood processing at its finest. Hit play and see this powerhouse team in action. And there you have it, the fastest, most powerful, and most dangerous automatic firewood machines on the planet. These engineering marvels are built to dominate, but they demand respect and skill to operate safely. From jaw-dropping speed to unmatched precision, these machines are changing the game for firewood processing. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always prioritize safety when working with these beasts. If you enjoyed this look into the world of extreme firewood processing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible machine content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring the incredible world of heavy machinery. See you in the next video.